Struggling to power your graphics card because your power supply lacks enough PCIe connectors? The SATA 15-pin to 6-pin adapter offers a simple, reliable fix. It lets you tap into your existing SATA power cables to power your video card, eliminating the headache of upgrading your power supply unit just to get your system running smoothly. I ran into this exact issue with my Acer Aspire TC-780 when I upgraded to the MSI GTX 1050Ti Gaming X4G. The PC's 300W PSU just didn't have the right PCIe power connectors, and the card wouldn't even light up. That's when this adapter came through. Its 8-inch length is perfect for neat internal cable management, and the straight connector design makes installation easy, even in tight spaces. Plus, it reduces stress on hard-to-reach motherboard and SATA drive connectors, protecting your system from accidental damage. This adapter supports both ATI and NVIDIA graphics cards, making it a versatile solution for many builds. What you get is a snug, secure connection that powers your GPU without forcing you to replace your entire PSU. If you've been hesitant to upgrade your graphics card because of power concerns, this adapter is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to unlock your PC's full potential without the extra expense.